Today's lesson is relation of one word substitutions with root words. So when it comes about one word substitution, first thing that comes in mind is that they are in n number and it is quite cumbersome to memorize them. So we do not feel a predilection towards them and we tend to leave in examination. But here you need not, because the solution is root words. And root words and one word substitutions, they are really inextricable and they become a solution for each other. So here we go. First question that here is that actually what we are supposed to do in one word substitutions. So here we will have a statement and 4 options to choose, and among the 4 options we have to choose the best expressive substitute. So we will see a few of them, and actually we will see one word substitutions based on root words so that we remember them for long and we are able to crack them in examination. First one is CIDE, side, that means killing. So killing of self or self-murder is called suicide. You must have heard. Killing of a race or community. For total race or community we have used a root word here, that is geno, G-E-N-O, and for killing it is side, C-I-D-E, genocide. Killing or murder of a king is called regicide. For king we have used regi, the root word. Killing of an infant or a newborn baby is called infanticide. For infant we have just put it like this only, infanti, and CIDE for killing. Killing of one's sister is called sorocide, S-O-R-O. For sister we have used, side is for killing. Now killing of human being, people, humans in the scientific language are called Homo sapiens. So homo or hom is used for human beings. That is a root word for them. So killing of human being is called homicide. More of them. Killing of one's wife is called exoricide. Killing of either or both of the parents is called parricide. For parents, pari. Killing of one's brother is called fratricide. For brother it is fratry. Killing of one's father is called patricide. P-A-T-R-I is for father, root word. Killing of one's mother is called matricide. Now, M-A-T-I, matricide, mother. We have also seen a word matrimony along with it, so that is also related. Next root word is omni. Omni means all. So, one who is all powerful is omnipotent. Omni is all. Potent means capable or powerful. That's why it is omnipotent. So when it will come in examination, you will have a statement, select one word substitution, and it will be one who is all powerful. You'll have 4 options. So you'll choose omni, you will see all, you'll choose omni, and powerful, capable, potent. Next, one who is present everywhere. So everywhere is coming, all, that means omni. Present, the same, omnipresent. One who knows everything. Now for everything it is omni, and for knowing it is psi. Science, right? Psi, knowing. One who rules everything. Now everything is omni, and rule. For rule we have used here arch. So it is omniarch. One who eats everything, that's omnivorous. Omni is for everything. Vorous means eating. Next is IBLE, and it means able to be. We had seen this in previous video as well. A sound that can't be heard is called inaudible. In is not. IBLE means able to. So not able to. Odd is hear. Odd. तभी हम बोलते हैं audio. Right? So whatever we hear, we say audio. So audio नहीं सुन पाएंगे. Inaudible. That cannot be easily approached is inaccessible. For access it is approach, for not it is in, and for can it is able, IBLE. Incapable of being corrected. Now Incapable, right? यानी कि नहीं है, नहीं capable है. That can't be it means. So it is incorrigible. So it becomes very easy whenever you are saying in, you will just get it that the word is something negative. Whenever you are getting IBLE, then you'll feel that cannot be should be there. Incapable of being repaired is irreparable. Incapable of being read is illegible. Leg is used for reading. Now, incapable of being practiced is impracticable. Now, you'll be seeing how we can just divide the word. Im, nahi kar sakte. Practice, it is from this. Able, yani ki cannot, can. So, cannot be practiced. One, too strong to be overcome is called invincible. That can't be erased is indelible. We discussed this in previous video as well. So synonym, antonyms or one word substitutions, vocabulary, everything is connected. One who does not tire easily, indefatigable. Now, one who is free from all mistakes and failures is called infallible. Free from, यानी कि नहीं होंगी उसमें mistakes. That's why we have used in here. Incapable of being avoided. Incapable, नहीं कर सकते. Avoid. So it is नहीं कर सकते. Inable. Avid is for avoid. Inevitable. Now, crazy. People, when it comes to one word substitution, one thing that becomes epitome of such kind of questions is the words with crazy. They are very often found in examinations. Crazy is used for rule or government. So a government by people is democracy. Dem is for people. A government by a king or queen is called monarchy. Mon is used for king or queen. A government by officials. For officials, bureau is used. You must have heard bureaucrats, right? So bureaucracy. A government by the rich is called plutocracy. Pluto is used for elite, rich. A government by few is called oligarchy. A government by the nobles is called aristocracy. So whenever you are seeing crazy, you will just get in the mind that it is something related to government. Next, now we will discuss some of the previous year questions that we have found in SSC examinations. How to do them, that point is very important. Actually, what I am trying to emphasize here is, if you know a bit but you have aptitude in yourself, you can easily crack it. Like you have a question, a hater of knowledge and learning is what? Now, we had seen in root words that for hate we use मिसो. हम हेट के लिए मिसो यूज करते हैं, तो मुझे बहुत ज्यादा सोचने की जरूरत नहीं है यहाँ पे. आई विल सिंपली सी 2 ऑप्शंस विद मिसो. नाउ आगे मैं देखूंगी नॉलेज और लर्निंग. सो GYN इज यूज फॉर फीमेल. सो ये तो हेटिंग फीमेल हो गया. आंसर इज दिस वन. सो लॉज, आई वॉज नॉट नोइंग द मीनिंग ऑफ LOG है, but I was knowing the meaning of jinn, so I could eliminate this one. So my answer is this. You need not always choose something. You can sometimes eliminate and then choose. Next, that which cannot be corrected. Now, cannot be is here, so it should be IBLE. All the option here has that, so you don't have very golden options here. Correct है यहाँ पे, तो it should be corrigible. Incorrigible is the answer. Next one, a cure for all diseases. All is coming here. Now, miso, you can either eliminate or choose. So, miso, for example, you know miso, hate, ये तो नहीं आएगा. Harangue, for example, you don't know it, you leave it. Credulous, for example, you know the root word here, cred. Cred is used for belief. There is nothing like that. So you are left with 2 options now. And you know that pan, PAN, panorama, you must have heard about, right? Panoramic. So pan is used for pan India. Pan means everywhere, all. So will be panacea. Next, a gathering at a religious place. Mob, spectators, audience, congregation. Now, options are quite close. So, I will use my mind here, my aptitude. I will see gathering. Gathering यानी कि इकट्ठा हुए हैं लोग. So, I will use a root word that is cong. I know the meaning of cong. C-O-N-G or C-O simply even. CO is used for CO, collaboration, cooperate, commemorate. For gathering we use co. So the answer should be congregation. I want to say here one thing. Then only you will be able to crack it. Don't just think that we need not know anything and then we'll crack it. That is totally can't be done. One who compiles a dictionary. Now, dictionary is coming here. Dictionary, it contains words, right? So I will see the word जिसमें कि word आए. Option जिसमें word आए वो मेरा आंसर हो सकता है. So bibliographer, lapidus, lexicographer and cartographer. Now, graph हम ले सकते हैं because graph means to write, लिखना. But word, dictionary means words, right? Carto means map. Lex, I know that lex means word. So I will go with lexicographer. As I said, you can choose or eliminate any of the option. A person who knows many foreign languages. Linguist, grammarian, polyglot or bilingual. Now, many foreign languages. Grammarian, of course, it won't be. Right? Bilingual. Bi is used for two. Bi is always used for two. But we have many here. So you are left with two options. Linguist or polyglot. Linguist. Poly, many. Or linguist also it can be. So it is glot is not suiting up here. So it should be linguist. Thank you for watching the video.